It's quite few weeks. Should I say weeks? I don't know. Back to back, rehearsal and all of that. I go to school every single day from morning till night, depending. Due to the rainfall, I normally go back home early. I'm getting used to the stress, but it's not actually funny. It's funny, but it's not funny. My class is by 9. It should be 8 something. I don't know which one. I think I'll go with this one. So I'm not videoing you. I'm back from school. Today was hectic. I'm hungry. I'm not hungry, but I want to eat. Good morning, guys. It's 7:23, as you can see. I'm currently on my black and black. So I'm currently laying my edges. I don't know what to say. I just want to talk, but I don't really know what I'm going to say. Yesterday, Mitla was done eating, and when I slept off, I don't know how I woke up by 10 o'clock in the night. And I'm like, I cannot start cooking food. As a university student, 2 things you must actually have. And the most important thing you must have is Gary, groceries. Very, very essential. I don't really like my doing that. Don't mind me, I love my doing. It doesn't look appetizing when we are videoing it. I don't know if you just, no matter how hard I try to lay my edges, it does not sit well. I don't know why. Okay, so now I'm done with my edges. Now next is my hair. I think I'll leave the hair like this. I remember those days. So I remember in secondary school, if you want to spray perfume, say my spray my parents' perfume, when I spray my own perfume, I stingy cocoa. Coffee. I noticed that my vlog is always more music. So I'm trying to reduce the music thing and start incorporating talking where I talk in my vlog. So if I'm not making sense, you just bear with me. Apply your lip and then put your lip gloss. The best, literally. Blue and sparkle cosmetic. Very, very nice. So almost finished because I use it every day.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that. Then I repay.
I don't think so. Go home, no Rihanna for adaptation.
Hey, don't be scared, I ain't.
I want to know this. Okay, so good morning guys. Today is another day. So yesterday was very hectic rehearsal, and then I came back in the evening. It's very late, very late. Let's just say 7-8, I don't know, but I came back late and cooked food, and then I ate. Immediately after eating, I crashed ASAP. Now I'm going to end the video. Thank you if you watch this video to this side, thank you so much, because why not? So thank you for at least watching the video to this place. So I don't know, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and turn up your post notification, comment your thoughts, anything, the vibes. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm not going to promise when I'm going to upload another video, but you guys should just turn on your post notification by subscribing, so that when your girl posts, you know the vibes sharp.